Hello and welcome to Rip Makes. Today I'm going to be talking you through the process of how I restored this vintage record vise to its former glory. So let's go on with it. So this beautiful nostalgic tool was gifted to me by a family member, and it was originally sat in a garage for years, God knows how long. In fact, anyone has any information on these vices, I'd love to hear in the comments. It's a Record Junior 51 and it's one of these sort of starter vices. It's kind of a hobbyist vice and it clamps on your table like that, so you can move it and clamp it to other things, I guess. But it was in a bit of a state of disrepair when I got it, so I'm going to show you some clips now of how I took that apart, refinished it, repainted it, and ended up with this lovely, really amazing object, which I'm very proud of. So here's the footage. So as you can see, the vise is in a bit of a sorry state. So the first thing I did is use WD-40 to see if I can loosen the bolts and get what was left of the old bench off it. Unfortunately, due to the rust, the bolts had seized tight, so I had to resort to more drastic measures to undo them. So I detached the vise from the old bench, I gave it a good scrub with a brush to get the debris off, and then began with a wire brush to start removing most of the rust. I use a mixture of WD-40 here and brake cleaner just to loosen that. Then I came in with a flap disc bit on the Dremel and just removed any further rust and grime. I'm just trying to bring the surface back to something where the paint will adhere to it. The next thing was to mask off the bits I didn't want paint getting onto. Did this with blue painter's tape. This was a bit tedious, but it was a bit quicker than taking it all apart completely. When it came to painting, I used Hammerite's special metal paint. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. I just gave this 2 or 3 coats until I had a nice finish. I made some new replacement jaws out of some scrap wood I had lying around. These were attached by screws. The final thing to do was level off the jaws with a planer and give it a good sand. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it's inspired you to look at old tools in a different way. I'm super chuffed with this. This was essentially just going to go in the bin, and it's been saved to hold and clamp another day. And it got me thinking about other old tools, and I inevitably went on the internet and inevitably started purchasing more. So I'll show you what I bought. Where's it on? So I got my hands on this, which is the big brother of that. It's a number 21 record vise. Better condition, just needs maybe a lick of paint and some oiling and stuff. So if you'd like me to do a video on that, I'm more than welcome to. Just let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was informative and inspiring, and it's given you some ideas, and also with the general message of, you know, don't let old things go in the bin. There's always a way to fix them and bring them back to life. So until next time, I'll see you again.